welcome back to SL Assets, and I am Leeladhar, and today we are going to discuss about some more interesting topics in the economics and the introduction of the economics. So let's start the episode. So let's see. So friends, now in economics we have discussed about utility, the concept of utility, and free goods, differences between the free goods and economic goods. So we have discussed about the concept of utility and about the human wants, which are the main basis for all the economic activities, and also we have discussed the differences between the free goods and economic goods. And today we are going to discuss about consumer goods and capital goods. Consumer goods and capital goods. So what is meant by consumer goods and what is meant by capital goods? So the differences between the consumer goods and capital goods we are going to discuss. So the first one, what is consumer goods? So mainly the consumer goods means household goods or the goods for final consumption, right? Means the consumer goods are not used for the production of anything, but the consumer goods are produced by other goods called as capital goods or producer goods. So here once again one point, capital goods are also called as producer goods. So here consumer goods are produced by using the producer goods. So the consumer goods are the goods which are used by common people like we and us, you and me, and like this the consumer goods are household goods or the goods for the final consumption, such as examples like a milk, television, a computer for household purpose, and all the domestic animals or anything, vegetables. All these type of goods are called as consumer goods, right? Means the consumer goods are the goods which are used by the people for their household consumption, but not for producing any other goods, and are also not for producing or not for doing any other thing by using these goods, right? So these type of goods are called as a consumer goods. Again, in consumer goods there are two types: perishable and durable. First one is perishable consumer goods, and second one are durable consumer goods. So first one, perishable, what is perishable and what is durable? So here perishable goods means the goods which are consumed or which are used by the people by a single take. Means such as a milk cannot be used twice, thrice like that, right? Milk or vegetables or onions, or all these goods are used by the people, and also in very less time, not for period of 10 years, for 20 years, not like that, right? So like these goods are called as perishable goods. Examples are milk, vegetables, biscuits, etc. So all these type of goods are called as consumer goods. So perishable goods, not consumer goods. So the perishable goods is one of the division of consumer goods. And what is consumer goods? Once again say, the consumer goods means the goods or the commodities which are purchased by the household people or household person for their household use, or for any goods which are produced, or any goods which are consumed by the final consumptions, that is we the customers. Like this goods are called as a consumer goods, right? These goods are called consumer goods. In consumer goods there are perishable goods and durable goods. Now let's see at durable goods. What are durable goods? Means the name only contains the word durable. The durable goods means such as television, TV. The TV we will purchase, we will use the TV for a span of lifespan of 6 years or 7 years, like that we will use a TV. So like this TV, not only TV, not only computer, TV, computer or washing machine or AC or refrigerator, all these things are used by the household purposes on in consumer goods, and they will be used for a long time, for a long period of time, such as 10 years, 15 years, 7 years or 8 years or 5 years, like this. Like these goods are called as durable goods. So these are the two types of consumer goods, right? Now this is about the consumer goods. So consumer goods is about this part of goods, and next we are going to discuss about the capital goods. These are the main economic goods in the economy. So capital goods. So what are capital goods, right? So here capital goods are nothing but the goods which are used by the production companies or production industries for producing other goods such as raw material and coal and electricity, and all these type of goods are called as a producer good, capital goods or producer goods, anything. So these type of producer goods or capital goods are the goods which are used for the preparation of consumer goods, right? The consumer goods are prepared by using these capital goods. The consumer goods directly satisfy the consumer, right? The consumer goods directly satisfy the consumer, but the producer goods or capital goods indirectly satisfies the consumer's goods or consumer by producing the consumer goods, right? So the producer goods or capital goods are goods which are used in the production of these consumer goods. So that is the main point. So in capital goods also there are two types. One is perishable and another one is durable. So the perishable capital goods are single take capital goods or single use capital goods are goods like coal and electricity or raw material, and like these goods are capital goods, means they can be used only single use, right? If they are once used, they cannot be reused again. So like these goods are called as capital goods. So friends, in capital goods also there are two types called perishable capital goods and also durable capital goods. So these perishable capital goods are goods which are consumed or which are used for the production of consumer goods for a single use. They cannot be reused again and again, such as coal, water, electricity or anything like raw materials. All these goods are called as perishable goods, perishable capital goods, right? Perishable producer goods or perishable capital goods. Now what are durable capital goods means? These goods are used by the production industries for a long period of time, means these are helpful or these are indirectly helpful for the production of consumer goods for a long period of time. Like here the durable consumer goods, in what manner the durable consumer goods satisfy the consumers for a long period of time. The production goods, the durable producer goods are gives satisfaction for the producers for a long period of time, such as machinery. So the machinery or the industrialized machineries are used for production of consumer goods for a long period of time, such as 15 years or 20 years or 20 years. If you take any examples for the durable goods, they will provide benefits for the producers in industries for long period of time, but not a short period of time. Not only machinery, repair tools, tool kit or repair kits, like all those things are the examples of the durable producer goods. So like this, the durable producer goods are the one of the type of capital goods, and these perishable goods and durable goods are the types of capital goods, and these are the producer capital goods or producer durable goods, perishable goods and consumer perishable goods and consumer durable goods. So all these is about the consumer goods and producer goods. So friends, this is about the consumer goods and capital goods or the producer goods. So in the next topic we are going to discuss some more interesting topics, so don't miss that session. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel and please tap the bell button.